What if you didn't understand what he saw?
Then you better figure it out, because it was coming for you.
We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. But it was my wedding day.
It was our wedding day.
We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky.
No clouds allowed in the sky.
Bruno walks in with a mischievous grin.
Thunder.
You're telling this story or am I?
I'm sorry, maybe that go wrong.
Bruno says it looks like rain.
Why did he tell us?
In doing so, he floods my brain.
I will like the umbrella.
Married in a hurricane.
What a joy to stay, but anyway, we don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
Hey, Bruno live in fear, Bruno stuttering or stumbling. I can always hear him sort of muttering and mumbling. I associate him with the sound of falling sand. It's a heavy lift with a gift so humbling. Always left up a lie in the family fumbling. Grappling with prophecies they couldn't understand. Do you understand?
7-foot frame, rats along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams and his sound screams. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
He told me my fish would die the next day. Dead.
No, no. He told me I'd grow a gut, and just like he said, he said that all my hair would disappear. Now look at my hair.
Your fate is sealed when your prophecy is read. He told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my power would grow like the grapes that thrive on the vine.
Oye, Mariano son his
He
ways.
told me that the man of my dreams would be just out of reach, betrothed to another. It's like I hear him. Hey sis, I want not a sound out of you. I can hear him now. Bruno, yeah, about that Bruno. I really need to know about Bruno. Give me the truth and the whole truth, Bruno.
Isabella, your boyfriend's here.
Time for the end. Do my wedding day.
He's back when he comes.
And sound in the sky.
Clouds allowed in the sky.
He told me that my power was great. You're telling this story or am I?
I'm sorry,
Everybody
maybe
on his way.
What did he tell us? I wanna put the umbrella.
He's here. Why did I talk about Bruno? Never should have brought up Bruno.
Saying that I love you every day, and I know that you love me, baby, admit it.
Bye.
Give me all your love and don't stop. I love waiting when you reach the top. All night long.
Isa? Hey! I know we've had our issues,
but I'm ready to be a better sister to you. So we should just hug. Let's hug it out, huh?
Hug it out? Luisa can't lift an empanada. Mariano's nose looks like a smashed papaya. Have you lost your mind?
Isa, I feel like you're upset. And you know what cures being upset? A warm embrace.
Get out. Everything was perfect. Abuela was happy. The family... Abuela was happy. The family was happy. You want to be a better sister? Apologize for ruining my life. Go on. Apologize.
I am sorry.
That your life is so great.
Wait.
Fine, I apologize. Ugh, I wasn't trying to ruin your life. Ugh, some of us have bigger problems, you selfish, entitled princess.
Selfish! I've been stuck being perfect my whole entire life, and literally, the only thing you have ever done for me is mess things up!
Nothing is messed up. You can still marry that big dumb honk.
I never wanted to marry him! I was doing it for the family!
Oh my gosh. Isa, that is a very serious confession. Okay, get over here. Bring it in.
I just made something unexpected. Something sharp. Something new.
Isa, this is the part where we...
It's not symmetrical or perfect, but it's beautiful, and it's mine. What else can I do?
Wait, bring it in, bring it in. Good talk. Bring it in, bring it in.
I grow rows and rows of roses, flor de mayo, by the mile. I make perfect practice poses, so much hides behind my smile. What could I do if I just grew what I was feeling in the moment? You know where you're going wrong. What could I do if I just knew it didn't need to be perfect? It just needed to be, and it let me be. A hurricane of hot dot and strangling feet, hanging vines. But now instead I fill the air as I climb and dive, force through. What else can I do? Can I deliver us a river of thunder? Careful, it's carnivorous, a little just won't do. I wanna feel the shiver of something new. I'm so sick of pretty, I want something true. Don't you just seem like your life's